Morning guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we are working again on one of our good customers, Ford Ranger pickup truck, but this is a pretty special one. It's made by the awesome guys over at Deranged, and this thing is a bit of a stunner. If you do get a chance to check them out, some of the kits that they put on some of these vehicles are amazing. We've worked on a few of their vehicles now and the quality is top notch. Anyway, so this is the first of two videos that we'll be doing today. This first one is all about the horn upgrade, and on the Ford Rangers the horns are notoriously known for being a bit feeble. So what we'll do is we'll just quickly show you what it sounds, and hopefully you can hear what it sounds like. We'll do a couple of quick bibs. So it sounds very sort of tinny, not very much depth to it, just sounds a bit rubbish really. Bit like a Tonka toy car. So what we're going to do is take out the single horn system and put a dual tone system in it. So we'll just quickly bib it again. So that's what it sounds like as stock, and when we jump back to the next part of the video, we'll show off how the new system sounds and works. So one thing that I forgot to talk about was what we're actually fitting, which is this little bad boy here. It's all well and good showing you what it sounds like before and what it's afterwards, but what we're actually fitting. So this is called a Stiebel or Trombe Stiebel Horn. It's only a single, it's not a dual system like you see, like one here and then one there. So it operates at 300 megahertz, and they say sound wise, you're looking at about 110 decibels at about 2 meters, but then at 4 inches, it's 133 decibels, and they say on the listing, compact air horn with deep powerful bass sound. So this is what's going in. The factory OEM horn is around this sort of area. You don't have to take the front bumper off, which is quite cool. You can do the work from below, so if you've got a lifter like we have, it does make it a little bit easier. But yeah, so this is what is going in. It's pretty well made. It's not like cheap plastic or anything like that. It's quite a nice bit of kit. So next thing you'll see is it all installed, and we'll do some sound testing. Okay, so Richard has finished installing the upgraded horn, and just very quickly, just for your benefit, this is the old piece of tap that comes with the Ford Ranger, and as you can see, compared to the last one, it's pretty pathetic. So what we're going to do is just do a couple of beeps on the horn just so you can hear what it sounds like. Hopefully the microphone will pick it up as it should do. So we'll do a couple of quick horn blasts. So it gives it a real air horn type horn noise, which is quite cool. And the other cool thing that I read on the box as well is that it's still MOT compliant. So even though it is a lot louder, it will still pass an MOT with it. So we'll do one last one, which is a nice long horn press. So you're definitely, as you're driving one of these things, you're definitely going to be heard on the roads. So again, if you've got a Ford Ranger, Deranged Edition or not, or even just any type of vehicle, and you just want a horn upgrade, then get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, thanks for watching.